My loves, today I'm just doing a little kitchen reset. We're gonna wipe everything down and make the space feel clean and fresh again. For more content, check link below. I start with a clean cloth, something soft that feels nice in my hands. I grab my spray and lightly mist the surface, not too much, just a small amount so it's slightly damp and easy to wipe. I go in with slow, gentle movements, just gliding the cloth across. I like to move in one direction first and then go over it again if needed. Sometimes I fold the cloth so I can switch to a clean side quickly. If I see any spots or dust left, I just go over them again. No rush. And honestly, it's kinda satisfying to watch everything look cleaner right away. Alright, my loves, that's it for this little reset. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope it felt calm and cozy for you. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.